Hello, welcome in Daily Newspaper Editorials Audio Program. Now headline: Judge outside courts, Times of India. BIP Berry, Imperial Person. Dhaka don't duck responsibilities. The Economic Times. A Bide SL. The Hindu. Bench and victory. Now headlines in detail. Judge outside court, The Times of India. SC to hear matters of HC Judge public remark judgment must be held to higher standard. The Supreme Court has sought details from Allahabad HC following complaints against HC Judge Shekhar Kumar Yadav speaking allegedly in favor of Majoritarian rule and making pejorative remark against Muslim at the BHP event on HC premise organized by BHP's High Court unit. The judge in question is no stranger to controversy. Several of his order made news to side when he denied bail in a cow slaughter case, speaking not so much on the case merits as a cow's special status that it was the only animal to exhale oxygen. Some argue constitutional positions do not entail a curb on rights to freedom of expression, belief, association, or assembly, but to establish tenets of impartial conduct in office and in public events has to be ever reproached. It is what grants the immunity. Unbecoming conduct is effectively an abuse of that immunity. When anyone listen to Yadav Justice Yadav, what they may well ask is whether he can draw a line between his personal politics and his duty to hold court without producing the same way. Justice must be seen to done optics of what just speak where is just as important to uphold expression of the independence of judiciary. Justice Yadav remarks at a BHP event could have remained unnoticed had he not been an HC judge, but it's impossible in some jobs to be in a public event and say this is plural person view. Being an HC judge is such a job. However, HC proceed, it must give a strong and clear reminder on his to judge. BIP very impartial person. Opposition motion RSC chair is rooted in perception, which is important for constitutional office. Some rules demand fair play in real time. Judges much referee cops meaning traffic and uncrossable. The Rajya Sabha chair to name a few. Unlike parents, they don't have a lifetime to prove their impartiality. It's important for them to not only think fair philosophically but also be seen acting fair. It is a question to optics much but more than let outcomes conduct of RS and LS. For instance, mirrors are the health of Indian democracy, so it's troubling that opposition parties don't consider BP and RS chair Dhankar impartial. On Tuesday, 60 MP gap noticed for a confidence motion against him, accusing him of being prejudiced. It is first in RS history, and while the motion success is highly improbable, it opens doors for more much such attempt. Expect BSP office. The post is always a political appointment, but seldom confirmation until now to be attacked frequently. In a functional democracy governed by the rule of law, perception matters. The non-confidence motion against RS chair is also a question of perception. In the Republic state 75 years, it arises every time a governor or an LG has a standoff with the duly elected government of an opposition party. While both sides score political points, each stroke takes some scene of the Republic. Dhaka don't duck responsibility. The economic time. Minorities must be protected. After the unequivocal message was delivered on Monday by Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri to Muhammad Yunus, led Interim Bangladesh government a day later Dhaka financially acknowledged 88 incidents of hate crimes against minority, mainly Hindus. The pressures on Dhaka to get its act together before things go out of control, as such matters are bound to come at a timely in juncture. Britain and EU have also raised this issue in their Congress to Parliament responsibility, ending to the heft of international concern. Bangladesh should release it cannot treat this loud and clear message lightly. India has, since the formation of Bangladesh, been a reliable partner for its development. The manually beneficial relationship contributed to Bangladesh graduation from the LDC category. His apart from the support provided to help tide over its recent economic slowdown and the pandemic. New Delhi is committed to be a peaceful, stable neighborhood and Bay of Bengal region. Dhaka must ensure minority protection as any democracy wishing to be taken seriously must abide the Hindu Parliament must remain the forum and riding the news of all representative. It is no coincidence that all the comes against the backdrops of constant campaign by the BJP to shrink the opposition space. Criticism of the government is portrayed as an anti-national act, and institutions and individuals are often targeted through institutions. There is little engagement between the BJP and the opposition. If Parliament merely becomes yet another platform for political diatribe, it will erode rather than reinforce democracy. The message from parliamentary proceedings to the citizenry should be that the government is sensitive to their voice. The government defense from Mr. Dhankar, including a reference of his caste and condemnation of the principal opposition party with the insinuation that it was anti-India while the government gets its way by virtue of his majority. The opposition must have its easy when Parliament is held hostage to hostility between the government and the opposition. The chair is expected to mediate and find a way forward. This role of the chair is possible only when its occupant is natural and seen as such, regardless of the merit of the grievance. The chairman could take a proactive approach to research his critics that he is above the political fray for the sake of institutional integrity. Bench and bigotry. High Court judge remark on minorities requiring a stern response. Even though the event was a discussion on the need for a uniform civil code, it was not an ideal stage for a meaningful debate. The BHP is an aggressive proponent of a Hindu majority view responsible for spearheading a violent movement for demolishing the Babri Masjid in Ayodhya and installing a Ram temple in its place, and a organization that has been banned in the past of fomenting riots, discord, and much bloodshed. It was quite obvious that the forum would be more inclined to assail minorities that extol the virtues of a uniform law for civil matters. Just two constitutional over are not expected to grace the platform providing by such groups. Thank you.